Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tech Steering. Ever wish you had a personal assistant that could actually, get things done?
Someone to, I don't know, book a whole vacation for you.
Yeah. Or manage? A whole project from start to finish, all while you sit back and relax.
Well, that's kind of the promise of Agentic AI, and you all have been asking us to deep dive into this for a while.
Buckle up then, because that's what we're doing today.
And things are moving fast.
So we're going beyond just, static algorithms, right?
Right. We're talking about AI systems built around these autonomous agents that can actually take action based on the situation to complete tasks.
Without us having to, hold their hand every step of the way.
Exactly. They can adapt and learn and handle these, really complicated, multi-step things.
Making them way more powerful than, just asking Siri to set a timer.
Way more.
And we've been looking at some of the frameworks that are making this all possible.
And we're going to take you through all of them, but first,
This.
Microsoft just dropped this thing called Magentic One.
And it's whoa.
Yeah, next level.
Imagine, right? Telling your AI, book me a trip to Hawaii.
Keeps in mind, I'm vegan.
And I'll love to hike.
And it just does it.
All of it. Flights, hotels, even finds you the best vegan restaurants near those awesome hiking trails.
So what makes this Magentic One so different, right? It's a generalist, a multi-agent system, meaning it coordinates all these different specialized agents.
To get stuff done.
You have one for web browsing, one that can, handle your files, one that can code.
Wait, code? Actually write code?
Even execute it.
Whoa, okay.
Powerful stuff.
Yeah.
And what's really cool is that it's open source. Anyone can go on GitHub and check it out.
Seriously.
All
right, links in the show notes, people.
Definitely check it out.
Very cool. Okay, next on our list is Langflow. Now, this one seems to be all about making it easier for people to create AI agents.
Yeah, think of Langflow like a visual toolkit for building AI workflows. It uses a drag-and-drop interface so you can chain together different actions. It's built on top of LangChain, which we'll get to in a minute.
So instead of writing code, you're basically piecing together these visual blocks.
Exactly. It's about making AI development accessible even for people without deep coding expertise. And the possibilities are pretty incredible.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, imagine this. You've got an AI agent that automatically transcribes your meeting recordings, pulls out the key points, and then even schedules follow-up appointments based on what was discussed.
Okay, so that's pretty slick, and that's all built visually using Langflow.
Exactly. Pretty powerful stuff. Now let's move on to Langgraph. Now this framework takes things in a more, interconnected direction.
Langgraph. Sounds intriguing. What's the big idea here?
So, like Langflow, it's also built on LangChain. But the difference is it uses a graph-based approach to create these more intricate and interactive AI systems. Think of it like a network of AI agents all working together.
So it's taking that collaboration concept to a whole new level.
Exactly. These agents can share information, learn from each other, and even remember past interactions. Which brings us to a really interesting point. AI that remembers.
Hold on, remember. That sounds a bit like, human.
Right, and it's what sets Langgraph apart. It's not just about executing commands, it's about building systems that can have more dynamic, nuanced interactions.
Okay, I need an example. Paint me a picture.
Sure. Imagine you're using an AI agent to plan a trip. Now, a Langgraph agent could remember your past travel preferences, like what airlines you prefer, the type of hotels you like, even what kind of activities you enjoy.
So it's like having a travel buddy who knows you inside and out. Pretty cool. Okay, last but not least, we have Phidata. Now, this one seems to be taking a different path altogether.
Right. Phidata is all about creating specialized AI agents. They're focused on building agents that are experts in a particular domain. Think like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, that sort of thing.
So instead of the jack-of-all-trades approach, they're building masters of one. But what happens if a situation requires knowledge from multiple domains? Wouldn't a more general AI be more adaptable?
That's a great point. There are definitely trade-offs to consider. But Phidata's philosophy is all about maximizing expertise in a specific area. They equip their agents with specialized knowledge, tools, and even the memory needed to excel within their domain.
So it's like having an AI assistant with years of experience in your specific industry, someone who could really give you an edge.
Exactly. Providing insights, automating tasks, even helping you make better decisions.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. 4 frameworks, each tackling agentic AI from a different angle. It's mind-blowing to see how fast this field is developing.
Absolutely. And the key takeaway here is that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Choosing the right framework really depends on your specific needs and goals.
Right. Do you need a generalist who can handle a variety of tasks, or a specialist with deep expertise in one particular area? The choice is yours.
It is. But regardless of which approach ultimately prevails, one thing is clear. Agentic AI is going to fundamentally change the way we live and work.
No doubt about it. And I think that's what makes this so exciting. It's not just about the technology itself, it's about the possibilities it unlocks.
Exactly. And that brings us to the big question. Imagine a world where AI agents are seamlessly integrated into our lives, working alongside us. What do you think? What opportunities excite you the most?
And what challenges do we need to be prepared for? That's something for you to ponder. We've included links to all 4 frameworks in the show notes, so feel free to dive deeper. This is just the beginning of the agentic AI revolution.
It certainly is. Buckle up.
Until next time, keep exploring.
And keep learning.
And as always, stay curious.
We'll catch you on the next deep dive.